it's me, Goofy Ruby. How are you? It's been a long time since I uploaded a video like this. This time, I'm gonna do unboxing. So it's summer break for me, and I only have 1 month left, and I thought of like doing something special, like learning a new skill, like playing a new musical instrument. So I decided to get what's this, keyboard. I've been thinking about it for a long time, and I can play the guitar. Not that great, but I can play the guitar, and then I really wanted to learn a new skill, so I decided to get this one. And then, of course, you need other stuff. I got this bench. It's really nice. Yep, like that. It's called Rock Jam, and it's also fire resistant. Okay, stereo headphones. You can connect it to your piano. And here it is. Headphones. Ta-da! Then, of course, you also need keyboard stand. So this is a single keyboard stand. Okay, I'm not gonna open this right now. Should I? Okay, I will. So I need my scissors. Whoops! Whoa! Oh, so this is something that I have to put together. You know what, guys? I do have the keyboard stand, but I would rather wait for my husband to get home. I do have this piano keyboard silicone strips. So you really need that, especially if you're a beginner. Because just like me, I really don't know how, I have no knowledge. I don't know how to play the keyboards. So I have this piano keyboard silicone strips. Silicone made, easy to remove, reuse anytime, double stack display, keep keyboard tidy, and no glue, no need stick. No paste required, no damage to the keys, because I don't want to use stickers because it may damage the keys. I'll make it look dirty. Super easy to install. 88 keys full size, so this is great. So this one, yep, the silicone one. So it's just so easy to attach. See? Yay, I'm so excited. So this is it. I'm gonna attach it later. Doesn't matter how old you are. I mean, you can always learn new things. You can always learn new things. It's summertime. Okay, now let's open our piano. It's gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, let's see. And of course, we have the Yamaha external AC power adapter. Because I have the manual. Of course, here is where you put your notes. Never. Music book. Let's open it. Let's open it. Yay. That's why you really have to have your spray. Cats will never leave you alone.